Kuma kuraya waya gwiciria ni murengeti wa mbamba ya rangi mweru wenderere ni itu mathaini ma miaraho turiria ni kionereria kia gucokereria kwa riri wa mutito wa Aberdare
tuhotete kurehabilitate hectare ta 100
aikari mwena uyu magitariria ona njui undu umwe na ithima cia mai ni icokereirie mwena uyu na kumanyihiria thabari ndaya cia gwetha mai ma kunyua
twanjitie kuona mai matheru kuma kirima giki gitu kia Aberdare.
5 years ago the ladies here used to walk miles to go and get water down the hill, and because of the work that's done in this part of the forest they are now going much closer to collect water every day for their small holdings for their households.
Icera-ini riakwa mwena uyu njemanitie na gikundi kia Rainoak kigithurima rugiri rwa thitima ruria rwirigite kugathikwo guthiururukiria mutito uyu.
The Rainoak has built over 400 kilometers of fence. They are continuing, obviously, not just here in the Aberdares. They've done Mount Kenya, they've done the Eburu Forest, I know they're in Kakamega.
Rainoak ni agire na muoroto wa kugitira black rhino kana munyi iria njiro tondu yerekeire kuhuka ni undu wa uhiti uria illegal hunting.
Muingi ugitariria ni rugiri runinite thina gatagati-ini kao na nyamu cia githaka na iria iratuire ihithukagira migunda yao.
If you go to other parts of the fence, you'll talk to people who never had a chance to go to school until they were 16 because it was too dangerous, because they were forest edge communities and there were elephant and there were buffalo, so they couldn't get to school until Rainoak built the fence.
Intensive protection zone means ne area to guthondeka twerekeirie ati munyi ni tugucirehe thiini wa area yo na nigetha tuhote gukuria namba yacio ithira mbere guciarana.
Kuriruka kwa mutito uyu gutitwikite tu mucii mwega kuri nyamu cia githaka kuona ona mutito uyu riu ni wabici ya wira kuri mbeu njithi makiria ma 20 aria makoretwo makiururia gendi thiini wa mutito uyu.
Anake aria matarari wira na aria makoretwo magikorwo ni mathukangagia githaka twahotire gukorwo tugithondeka grupu cia ecotourism kuhitukira CFA na aria tuteithiriirio muno ni ruhonge rwa Rainoak aundu na KWS na Kenya Forest na tugakorwo andu acio ni tuhotete guturainirwo na magakorwo magitwika guide agutwaraga ageni othe.
Kioneki kinene kia muingi na honge itare cia githirikari ari mutito uyu ni uguthie na mbere na kugacirithio na njira ya uhandi wa miti kuona ni uhaturite aria marigainie naguo na njira nene.
Not just empowering them to understand truly conservation and being champions on ground for where they are, but also planting all the trees so that we can conserve it.
Kiribotera Inooro TV kuma mutito-ini wa Aberdare kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua. Ritwa riakwa ni Robert Wamaina.